Let's unbox the ONOAYO ONO3 Pro smart projector. Sleek modern design, looks premium right out of the box. Lightweight at just 2.4 pounds, super portable. Check out the compact size, perfect for travel. CEC remote included, feels intuitive and responsive. Plugging it in, boot up is lightning fast, just seconds. Home screen loads instantly, no waiting around. Customizable homepage, built-in e-manual, very user-friendly. Let's explore the Smart TV OS, smooth, fluid navigation. Switching between Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, seamless. No extra devices needed. All apps are built in. Over 1 million streaming options, endless entertainment. Regular updates keep features fresh and secure. Let's test the AI autofocus, just 3 seconds. Image snaps into razor-sharp clarity, even on angled walls. Auto keystone correction, no more crooked screens. Obstacle avoidance kicks in. Screen fits perfectly. Projection orientation detection adapts to any setup. Zoom function lets you adjust size without moving the unit. Now let's check out the visuals. 4K support, 1500 ANSI lumens. Colors are vivid, details pop. 98% NTSC color gamut. Every frame looks cinematic, lifelike, and immersive. Even subtle details like dust or flames are crystal clear. Let's try it outdoors. Projector handles ambient light well. Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Streaming is ultra-fast and stable. Built-in Chromecast. Casting from my phone is effortless. Works with iOS, Android, Windows DLNA. Super versatile. Supports desktop, tripod, wall, and ceiling mounting. M4 screw port makes installation a breeze. Let's test the sound. Dolby Audio dual 15W speakers. Immersive 3D surround sound fills the room. ERC delivers studio quality, uncompressed audio. AI sound balancing, smooth transitions, rich details. Can double as a standalone Bluetooth speaker. Pairs easily with external speakers for bigger sound. Perfect for movie nights, gaming, or presentations. Sealed optical engine, dust-resistant and durable. Dual fan cooling keeps it running cool and quiet. Auto temperature control ensures stable operation. No black or yellow screens, reliable long-term performance. Company offers consistent support and assistance. Let's try a quick app switch. Instant response, no lag. Streaming a movie, picture quality is stunning. No buffering, no black screen issues, HDCP compliant. Gaming feels smooth and responsive, low input lag. Browsing apps is intuitive, everything feels snappy. Customizable settings, personalize your entertainment experience. One-click wake-up for instant projection. Built-in e-manual is handy for quick troubleshooting. Online upgrades keep the system modern and secure. Memory is powerful, no slowdowns with multiple apps. Let's move it outside, easy to carry, set up anywhere. Perfect for backyard movies or camping trips. Handles diverse environments, auto setup adapts instantly. No hassle with alignment or focus, AI does it all. Ideal for merchants, efficient presentations on the go. Great for home theater enthusiasts, immersive experience. Tech-savvy users will love the advanced features. Visuals and audio both exceed expectations. Portable, powerful, and packed with smart functionality. If you want seamless streaming and gaming, this is it. No more fiddling with cables or extra devices, just plug, play, and enjoy anywhere you want. The ONO3 Pro redefines portable entertainment. Durability and support give peace of mind. AI-driven tech makes setup and use effortless. From living room to outdoors, always delivers. Highly recommend for movie lovers and tech fans. Upgrade your viewing experience. ONOAYO ONO3 Pro is worth it. Ready to transform your entertainment? Check it out now.